I am back with yet another game day recipe. We are making some delicious Philly cheesesteak sliders. These are gonna be so awesome. Let's get into it. So I have my pan here to about a medium high. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil into the pan. And we have ourselves about 12 ounces of some finely sliced ribeye steak that we're gonna toss right in. And to season this up, we're gonna use a mix of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of red chili flakes. And as always, all the ingredients or whatnot will be listed in the description box for you to reference to. I'm just gonna use my spoon to kind of break this up just like so. Gotta add a little bit more seasoning in there. Looking good, looking good. This is another awesome recipe that will be perfect for game day, guys. And as our steak is almost halfway there, I'm gonna toss in some diced onions, as well as some diced green bell peppers. Go ahead and get that in your pan and give it a mix. Smelling so good already. All right, our steak is looking really good at this point. Don't be scared to give it a taste and add a little bit of salt, a little bit more pepper as needed, okay? So now we are pretty much ready to start assembling our sliders. See how quick that is? So to build up our sliders, we are using King Hawaiian rolls. Makes life nice and easy and delicious. So I'm just gonna pull these out of the pack. And I'm just gonna use my knife here to kind of slice in between so we can have these beautiful sliders. Just trying to be careful to keep everything kind of together. Just trying to slice right down the middle. That cheese pool is gonna be crazy. I am too excited for this one. So there you have it. You have two halves. I'm gonna put the bottom half right there for now. And I'm gonna layer it with some provolone cheese. You can also use mozzarella if that's what you prefer. And then we're gonna go in with that beautiful steak. You wanna kind of be careful not to drop it over on the sides. So like I said, I'm just layering all that steak in. I'm gonna kind of spread it around once I get everything on here, because I just don't want everything to kind of fall off of the bread like it kind of is right now, but that's okay. I cannot wait, guys. This is gonna be amazing. Smelling so good. Like I said, you want to kind of spread your steak around like so. We're looking good. And to make it extra cheesy, you know we got to add another layer of provolone cheese. Again, this is optional. Maybe you don't want it too cheesy like me. Maybe you don't want the awesome cheese pool. You can use less cheese, okay? Boom. And we're just going to top it off with the top buns, and bada boom, bada bam, we are ready to toss these in the oven at 350 degrees until these are nice and melted. So while our cheese is melting, we're gonna make a quick and easy garlic butter to baste on top. I got a little bit of butter going in. And you guys do not judge me. I do not have freshly minced garlic on hand, but as a alternative, you can most definitely use some garlic powder. All right, emergencies only. I'm also gonna sprinkle in freshly chopped parsley. And just like that, you have you some garlic butter ready to put right on top of those amazing sliders. Looking good, smelling good right out of the oven. Wow. Ooh, there you go. Wow, that looks amazing. Let me flip it around this way. This side looks even better. And we are not done, folks. We are not done. I'm just gonna brush some of this delicious butter right over the top, just like so. And then we'll be done and ready to eat. This looks so good. Wow. The moment of truth. We gotta see what that cheese pool is hitting on. Let's see. Is it gooey? I think it's gooey. Look at that. Whoa. Let me hit you with another cheese pool. That looks so good. That looks so good. That's what I'm talking about when you put that extra cheese on there, man. That extra cheese makes a world of a difference when it comes to that pool. I am too excited to give these a try. They smell so freaking good. And that cheese pool though, look at that. Look at that cheese pool, come on now. Sheesh. Let's give it a go. Bomb.com, these are so good. So good. Oh my. You know that ribeye is well seasoned up. You got the sweetness from the Hawaiian roll. You got the onions, the green bell peppers, the cheese pool that's going crazy right now. 10 out of 10. Must try again, guys. That is a hit. This is amazing. Whoa. These are dangerously good. Dangerously good. I'm telling you right now. You guys have to try these. They are, I can't even find the words for them. I really can't. They are that good. Give it a try, guys. Thank me later. Simple as that. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you on the next video.